ready?
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, so first of all, Sonam, congratulations on the success of I Hate Love Stories.
Thank you very, very much.
Now tell me, how does it feel, Sonam?
It feels fabulous. It feels really, really good that people have loved my movie so much, and I think it's really exciting.
है क्या ये जो तेरे मेरे दरमियां है, अनदेखी अनसुनी कोई दास्तां है, लगने लगी अब जिंदगी खाली है मेरी, लगने लगी हर सांस भी खाली, बिन तेरे बिन तेरे बिन तेरे कोई खलिश है, हाँ मैं बिन तेरे.
On radio, I remember when you had made your debut, we have been playing your songs, we have been talking about you, and the common notion from the listeners is, there's a lot of expectation. You have stood out as an actress more than a star. We want to see this actress Sonam Kapoor grow much more.
Thank you so much. It's very, very sweet of you.
Acha, so Sonam, let's talk about Aisha. Aisha might be special for you for many, many reasons, right?
Yes, it's very special to me.
Yeah, so let's talk about your sister, Ria, as a producer, and then we'll get to the real movie, Aisha.
Okay. My sister is extremely young, but she's very intelligent and she's capable. And I think she is got some vision. She's got creative vision, and she's a great leader. And that's why she's going to make a fantastic producer, and she's going to make beautiful films. And Aisha being her first film is very, very commendable the way she's handled the situation. We finished it in budget, before schedule, and we've come up with a really great product, and it's all thanks to the great production team and the great direction team that we have.
Yeah, so Sonam, I think you're coming from a legacy of Mr. Anil Kapoor, and people just simply adore him, especially, the international folks right here, the NRI community love him more after Slumdog Millionaire. He must be a proud father.
He is extremely proud. He's very proud of Ria and I, and this film is very close to him because it's the first production with me as the lead and my sister producing it, and I think this is very close. It's very close to the whole family.
Now, Sonam, you, other than being an actress, one thing that people relate to you is style. So now, what is the thing? Ye kya hai? Designer stuff and always walking with a class and a style, and always different. What's the secret behind that?
Well, I enjoy fashion. I enjoy clothes. I love shopping, and it's just fun. I have fun with it, and it makes me feel good about myself. And I think that shows, and that's why people like the way I dress, I think.
People just love you for that, especially the dress that you wore for the music launch of Aisha became quite a hit, I guess.
Yeah, it's beautiful. It was a Vivienne Westwood. I love her. She's amazing. She's this amazing English designer who is very, very avant-garde, and she knows how to make fabrics, and she's so good with draping, and she's very kitsch. So I love her work, and I decided to wear her for the music launch, Aisha music launch.
तुम हो कमाल, तुम बेमिसाल, तुम लाजवाब हो आयशा, ऐसी हसीन हो जिसको छू लो उसको हसीन कर दो. तुम सोचती हो दुनिया में कोई भी क्यों खराब हो आयशा, तुम चाहती हो तुम कोई रंग हर जिंदगी में भर दो, भर दो.
Now, Sonam, there is a question that has come from a couple of our listeners. I mean, this is like 4 or 5 listeners have a similar question. Now, it's nothing to do with the movies. It's to do with you personally. You have really modified yourself, I would say, your personality. So what you were a couple of years ago, and you know what I'm talking about, right? We saw your Karan Johar episode, and we saw the weight issues, and now what we see Sonam as, the revamped Sonam. There are some listeners who would like to know, how does it feel to come out as a totally attractive personality from what you were, and your suggestion to people who are going through that kind of a phase?
Well, I was overweight, but I got cast in Sanjay Bhansali's film when I was my age, actually. And it was just wonderful to be, just to work on oneself, and I think it's just about being healthy, happy, and exercising.
डोली में बिठा के सितारों से सजा के ज़माने से चुरा के ले जाएगा सावरिया 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 हो सावरिया.
So Sonam, let's talk about Aisha. Now, what should people expect from this movie?
Well, Aisha is a coming-of-age story of a girl becoming a woman. It's based on Jane Austen's novel Emma, and it's about this girl and her trials and tribulations, her friends, family, and her boyfriend, and everybody.
So let's talk about Abhay as your co-star. What is the sort of character that he's playing, and how is the chemistry between both of you?
He's playing Mr. Knightley. He's playing Arjun Berman. The character's name is Arjun Berman. He's basically a grown-up, and he's waiting for this girl to grow up, and so he can claim her for himself, because she's not grown up yet, and he wants her to become a woman before, he says, I love you. And it's basically that, and he really cares about her. He's very sorted, and he's constantly trying to get her to realize the potential, and he really, really loves her a lot. So this shows through the film. I mean, that's his character.
शाम भी कोई जैसे है नदी, लहर लहर जैसे बह रही है, कोई अनकही कोई अनसुनी बात धीमे धीमे कह रही है, कहीं ना कहीं जागी हुई है कोई आरज़ू, कहीं ना कहीं खोए हुए से है मैं और तू.
We just love to see him on screen. Too bad he does very less number of movies, but we do look forward to his releases. So how was your chemistry with him?
Oh, I love working with him. It's very, very palpable, the chemistry on screen. It's lovely.
अच्छा, so आयशा का वो गाना कौन सा है? आपका फेवरेट कौन सा है? By the way या फिर सुनो आयशा?
दोनों मेरे को बहुत ही पसंद है दोनों.
तो एक लाइन हो जाए ना किसी गाने की सोनम.
Please, come on. I can't sing. It's very embarrassing. Don't make me do that.
By the way, Aisha, you gotta sing one line.
No. Come on. Thank you.
अच्छा.
By the way, on the way, हमको जो मिली है जिंदगी गाती है, हंसती है, पगली सी है जरा, रूठे भी, माने भी.
Well, what are the other movies that we should be looking forward after Aisha?
There's Mausam, and then there's Thank You.
Acha, okay. All right. Thank you so much, Sonam. Lots of good luck to you, and look forward to the release.
Thank you.
Take care. Bye-bye.
मसक्कली उड़ मटक्कली ए मसक्कली उड़ मटक्कली मसक्कली उड़ मटक्कली मसक्कली उड़ मटक्कली जरा पंख झटक गई धूल अटक